Hello everyone, my name is Michelle Porras and I'm going to be doing my presentation on the chemical composition and toxicity of e-liquids in e-cigarettes. With the increase of popularity in e-cigarettes, being able to determine possible health risks that come with synthetic coolants has become a priority. E-cigarettes can be separated into 4 categories: nicotine, synthetic coolants, flavor, and solvents. 4 methods were used in order to determine the individual effects of these categories. The Impinger method was the beginning of this research. In order to find out any possible health risks that an e-cigarette can cause, it has to be used. Therefore, 3/4 of the pod was used and any refills were made in the lab before being sent off to a gas chromatograph. Gas chromatography was used to identify all of the chemicals and how those chemicals affect the BEAS2B lung epithelial cells and the cell viability assays. The BEAS2B cells showed to be elongated and extending throughout the experiment, while the cell viability assays were used to measure plasma membrane damage, as well as to measure the presence of any residues left. Now, what do all of these methods tell us? All of the concentrations of flavor and coolants were higher than the recommended amount. Synthetic coolants were found in every product and were more prominent in refill pods. They also showed that at about 12 hours, high levels of the synthetic coolants affect cell growth and as well as impaired the other cell processes with an increase of inflammatory responses. As a result of these methods, it is clear that there is a linearity of health hazards with the use of e-cigarettes. During my oral presentation, I will touch more on synthetic coolants and how these chemicals can and will affect us in the long run.